How to fix blurry or pixelated stories on Instagram.
Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix blurry or pixelated Instagram stories so your photos and videos upload in high quality. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. Now, the first thing you want to check is your internet connection. If you're using mobile data and the signal is weak or unstable, Instagram will compress your story and it can end up looking blurry. Try turning off mobile data and connecting to a fast, stable Wi-Fi network. If you're already on Wi-Fi and it's slow, switch to mobile data instead. A poor connection is one of the most common reasons stories upload in low quality. Next, open the Instagram app. Head into your settings. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right. From the profile page, tap on the three lines at the top right, then scroll down until you find the media quality option. Once you're in there, make sure that Use Less Cellular Data is turned off. After that, enable Upload at highest quality. This tells Instagram to upload your stories in the best quality possible instead of compressing them heavily. After that, you want to make sure you're recording your photos or videos in high quality on your phone. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Camera. From here, go into the video recording settings. Make sure your video resolution is set to something like 4K if your phone supports it. Higher recording quality means Instagram has better source footage to work with, which results in clearer stories after upload. If you've done all of that and your stories are still blurry, the last thing to check is whether Instagram needs an update. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, see if there's an update available. If there is, update the app and then try uploading your story again. Updates often fix bugs and improve upload quality, and this alone can sometimes solve the issue. That's it. Try these fixes, and one of them should get your Instagram stories looking sharp and clear again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.